Hey everyone, welcome back to Esoil Tech, your go-to channel for health and wellness tips that empower you to live your best life. Today, we're diving into something that can completely transform your journey to better health. A personalized health and wellness planner. Work gets crazy, the kids have a meltdown, your in-laws decide to visit. You know the drill. That's why having a system, a plan, a gorgeous and inspiring place to stay focused on you is a total game changer. So, are you ready to ditch the overwhelm and create a roadmap to your healthiest, happiest self? Let's make this planner your secret weapon for achieving your goals and staying on track. Okay, gorgeous, let's talk about why you need a health and wellness planner in your life. Life gets busy, and staying consistent with healthy habits can be challenging. A planner is like your trusty sidekick, your accountability partner, your cheerleader, all rolled into one. It helps you track your progress so you can celebrate those wins, no matter how small, and see just how far you've come. Plus, when you see everything laid out, all your goals and plans, it sparks this inner motivation that keeps you going, even when those Netflix binges are calling your name. And let's be honest, sometimes we just need a little visual reminder of the amazing things we're capable of achieving. And here's the best part. A planner helps you break down those big, audacious goals into smaller, bite-sized action steps. It's all about setting realistic goals that you can actually stick to, because who needs more pressure in their life? Not you, my friend. But it's more than just checking off boxes. It's about creating a system that works for you, a place to prioritize self-care and de-stress. Think of it as a creative outlet, a judgment-free zone where you can dream big, track your journey, and celebrate all the amazingness that is you. All right, your planner is set up and looking absolutely fabulous. Now let's talk about the secret sauce: consistency. Because let's be real, we all know consistency is where the magic happens, right? Here's the thing. Creating a new habit takes time and effort, but it doesn't have to feel overwhelming. My biggest tip? Set a daily routine. Pick a specific time each day to update your planner. Maybe it's first thing in the morning with a cup of coffee, or right before bed as part of your wind-down routine. Whatever works for you. And here's where we make it fun. Remember all those colorful pens and stickers we gathered? Put them to good use. Use different colors to highlight important dates, doodle in the margins, or add inspiring quotes that light you up. The more you enjoy using your planner, the more likely you are to stick with it. Now let's talk about celebrating those wins. Because every step you take towards your goals deserves to be acknowledged. Did you drink enough water today? High five, crushed your workout. You're a rock star. Reward yourself for those milestones, big or small. Remember, this planner is your safe space to dream, plan, and grow. So make it fun, make it personal, and most importantly, make it yours. Want to jumpstart your wellness journey and save yourself some time? We've created a free printable health and wellness planner template just for you. It's packed with all the essential sections we talked about, plus some bonus goodies to keep you motivated and inspired. All you have to do is click the link in the description below, download your template, and get ready to unleash your inner planning rock star. That's it for today, my friend. Remember, your health and wellness journey doesn't have to feel overwhelming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Esoil Tech for more wellness tips and tricks to help you live your best life. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep shining your beautiful light. Listen, you are capable of creating incredible change in your life. Don't underestimate the power of a simple planner to help you stay focused, motivated, and on track. So be kind to yourself, celebrate your wins, and never, ever give up on your dreams. Now go out there and make some magic happen. Remember, Esoil Tech cares about you.